This video is gonna based on how to factory reset an LG model TP260 phone. First and foremost, what you're gonna have to do is reset your phone. Make sure you back up your phone before you reset the phone to factory reset, so you don't lose any valuable stuff as far as pictures and videos and such, sort of things like that. So make sure you do that. Back up your phone. After you do that, make sure that your phone has enough charge. If your phone's about to die, do not start the process. Make sure you have enough charge. So the process which you're going to have to do is, after you determine whether or not your phone charged and you backed up your phone, you're going to hold down the volume button, which is right here on the side, and then the start button, the power button, is right here. You're going to hold that down first, then you press the power button, and when the logo comes on, as soon as you see the logo, you release that button and then press it again. You release, then press it again. Let's go. Press, press, release, and press. Then you get to that screen. You go down, scroll, and press that to say yes. Press this right here to say select yes. Then you get another screen. Press the down volume button to select yes, and then press the power button to select yes. You're probably gonna have to press it again, and you see your phone says erasing. So let it do its thing. I'm gonna post the video when we get to the last section. As you can see, this phone is actually hooked up with T-Mobile. And no matter what you do, do not turn off the phone. Let the process continue. We are on 30%. Now we are on 98%. And here we go. Your phone just reset from factory reset. Thank you.